Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play smooth PUBG Mobile on Gameloop. First, it's crucial to ensure your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements. Always update your graphics drivers to the latest stable version for optimal performance. Within Gameloop settings, allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and 4 central processing unit cores. These initial steps lay a strong foundation for a much smoother gaming experience, helping to prevent common performance bottlenecks right from the start. Next, let's dive into Gameloop's engine settings. You should select either OpenGL Plus or DirectX Plus rendering mode, depending on your graphics processing unit. It's highly recommended to disable the rendering cache and ensure your dedicated graphics card is prioritized. For a significant boost in frame rates, set anti-aliasing to close. Also, consider a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels or lower for a smoother visual experience. Now, let's fine-tune the in-game PUBG Mobile settings. For the best performance, always choose smooth graphics and extreme frame rate. Make sure to disable shadows and anti-aliasing within the game itself to achieve maximum fluidity. It's also important to adjust the screen resolution in Gameloop to match your monitor's native resolution for crisp visuals. Finally, setting the display style to classic helps maintain consistent visual performance throughout your gameplay. For advanced optimization, always close all unnecessary background applications before launching Gameloop. This frees up valuable system resources. Make it a habit to regularly clear Gameloop's cache and temporary files to maintain optimal performance over time. Additionally, consider activating a high-performance power plan in your Windows settings for an extra boost. Lastly, a stable internet connection with low ping is absolutely essential for a smooth and enjoyable online PUBG Mobile experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.